Well guys, we're finally getting some rain. We got some overnight last night. It was hard to tell how much.
0.21.
Oh, it's a little bit less than 1/4 of an inch. It's not raining real hard at the moment, but at least it's something. Oh my folks. It rolled in a little harder. You can see it kind of sheeting through a little bit over here. And it is done. I mean, that right there is off the roof, but just out there, it's raining pretty heavy. Come over here. Boy, we've been needing this for months. We are getting some light rain. It's a little bit breezy. It's only about 43 degrees. This is Sunday, the 24th. We have a chance of rain from now for the next 3 days. And on Tuesday morning early, sometime after midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, we have a chance of snow here on the valley floor. Okay, it's 4:45 on Sunday, January 24th, and these are the Santa Ritas. Over here you can't even see the peaks, but you can see that it's been snowing and it's getting closer to the valley floor. So I'm guessing it's down around 4,000 feet, and we are at 3,000 feet. So we'll see how it goes. Snow in the Santa Ritas. If you can listen closely, you can hear the rain hitting the windows. We're very thankful for this rain. It was sorely needed. This video was taken at 12:06 a.m. on the 26th of January 2021. by our friends Carl and Nancy, who were visiting from out of town and staying in our casita. They had a great view, and it shows that there were some large flakes and a little bit of snow sticking on the ground. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but the truck lights in the background were pretty impressive as well. And this is about 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, 26th, I believe. And you can see that's the Santa Rita Mountains out there. They're partially obscured, but they have snow almost all the way to the valley floor. We missed it here by about, a few hundred feet. Okay, it's approaching 11 o'clock on Tuesday the 26th, and as you can see, this is what it looks like out front. I'm standing in the garage, and you can see out there in the driveway it's acting like it wants to start sticking. I don't know how long this will go on, but those are pretty big flakes. They're kind of blowing right into the garage here. Something we don't see that often here in Arizona. Wow, guys, I'm back in the backyard here where you can look right here and you can see it's starting to stick even out here. These are big flakes too. Pretty crazy. Starting to stick on the tops of the oleanders over here. Well guys, it's 4:30 in the afternoon on Tuesday the 26th. And the snow is starting to melt. But on Mount Wright's in this peak right here, the news says they got 18 inches up there. And we have another chance for rain this coming Friday. But anyway, I just wanted to show you our Santa Rita Mountains here. Elephant Head right there. Anyway, snow is going away quickly, but it was a beautiful day, and we appreciate the moisture.